talk on the street, they know the thing of beefs. Go on YouTube right now.
Tornado representing for Nighthawk TV.
Yeah, you hear me? A Nighthawk TV.
Rhea in the United States and Platinum by the British Recorded Music Industry BPI in the United Kingdom, and earned him the Music of Black Origin MOBO Award for Best Reggae Act in 2000.
Know him and love him as Wayne Wonder.
Thank you. Greetings, everyone. I'm truly honored to receive this award. Thanks to Minister Bob Grange, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the government of Jamaica, my family, my team, and to everyone who has been a part of my journey, especially the fans here in Jamaica and around the world. I truly appreciate your love and support. Thank you, Jamaica. One love. Thank you so much.
Since emerging on the dancehall scene in 2003, this artist, born in St. Anne, Jamaica, has distinguished himself as one of the most versatile and influential voices in contemporary Jamaican music. His 2005 breakthrough single developed an impressive catalogue of hits throughout the years. But the song which best defines his career and which truly reflects his role as a musical ambassador is Jamaica Love. This song is regarded as his most patriotic and culturally significant work, and is almost regarded as the unofficial second anthem of Jamaica. His contribution to the genre has been formally recognized by the International Reggae and Music Awards, IRAUMA, which named him Dancehall Artist of the Decade in 2020 and awarded him Best Sing-J Entertainer in 2026, in addition to numerous other industry honors over more than 2 decades of recording. The government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, has therefore found it most fitting and appropriate to present Rihanna Devon Gordon, aka Busy Signal, with the 2026 Reggae Icon Award in recognition of his work in promoting the growth
National Stadium, show some love for Busy Signal.
National Stadium. It gives me great pleasure to present this citation to Rihanna Devon Gordon, better known to you as Busy Signal. However, it is most appropriate at our birthday that we give the citation to the man who has made the most consequential change to the happy birthday song. One more year upon them, Busy Signal.
Sound the big thing there. Yes. I want to say big up Jamaica, big up all the fans all over the world. First and foremost, big up the Most High Jah. I'm giving thanks for life, giving thanks just to be here, giving thanks for everybody here and everybody that's viewing. Most honorable. It's been a long time. I've been doing this for years. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. I'm honored. It's gratitude all the way. All the way. And this is for Jamaica. This is for Jamaica. Jamaica.
You won't believe this. I didn't leave my room to take these pics. No photo shoot, no fancy setup, just one selfie, and boom! I use this app and it turns
National Stadium. Are you ready? Let me hear you make some noise.
I shall sing as long as I live, and as long as I live, I shall sing. I shall sing as long as I live, as long as I live, I shall sing. Even though I'm old, but I'm young, I know that's right. Old enough to know what's right. Young enough to dance all night to me.
To hold me back, strong enough to give you a heart attack. The situation's sweet, my soul, as long as I live,
I shall sing.
yes, as long as I live,
And as long as I live, I shall sing.
Jamaica, lift your voices and help me do this here one. It's celebration time. Happy Independence. 64. Yeah. Woo.
Person that I have heard about so far abroad. But see,
Come on here, Jamaica.
to let that I heard about so far across the sea. To have you on that dreaming would be like heaven to me. Your turn, Jamaica, to have you. My dreaming would be like heaven to me. We live together on that train. So much fun. We live together on that train, and we have so much fun. We had a breakfast from the trees. We made a peace. We take on we count the stars in the sky. Jamaica, never forget the music that uplifts, teach, educate, unite, and bring us together. This is what we want for Jamaica. So you know what? We're gonna leave you with some love in your hearts. This one is from our hearts to your heart. Flick the music, Mr. DJ. Every one of you here. And you know what? This selection was chosen by you. Yeah. Am I really hearing your arms? It's not like Jamaica happy independence. Thank you. Woo.
National Stadium, Grand Gala, make some noise for the living legend, Auntie Marcia! Now, ladies and gentlemen, what come after reggae? Which music come after reggae? You come like you know what go on, ladies and gentlemen. The beat got faster, it got louder, it got groovier, and we start dance to it. Ladies and gentlemen, this segment, what we call it? Dancehall!
Follow me, no man. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Come on, one time come.
Now more to rock steady, to reggae, to dancehall. That is how Jamaican music went. And Jamaica's music rocked the world. If you love Jamaica and you love Jamaican music, let me hear you make some noise! Your stadium, don't run with it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to introduce an artist. And I can tell you, today is definitely not the saddest day of his life. Get ready, because he's gonna take you on a joyride and make sure you don't let go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage, Wayne Wonder!
How you doing? Make some noise. Over this side. How you doing? Over this side. Are you ready? Let's go. But the saddest day of my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain, the pain, the pain. The saddest day of my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was going insane. Listen now. Try to erase all the memories. Listen, for they're the ones that haunt me. Listen now. If I could forget all about the past, then how long will this more fear everybody sing my song? But the saddest day of my life is when she left me with a broken. I was feeling the pain, the pain. Let me hear you. The saddest day of my life was when she left me with a broken heart. I was going insane. Hey. Are y'all feeling happy independence? So you may not be, come on, a movie star, and you made it try, a big fast car, but I love you, come on now, in every way. This side, I love you in every way. I don't know why. Let me voices. I don't know why. This side, ladies, the dress you wear may be too tight, and folks might say that don't look right, but I don't care about their views. Hey, I keep on loving you. I don't know why. Oh, why? I don't know why. Oh, why? I wanna hear you say oh, say it, say oh, say it. Oh, let's go! Come on, we're taking the ride, alright. It's alright. This side, these some madness. Come on! The ride, alright. It's alright. Hey, be some. Watch out. Because I'm cruising around with a jeep full of honey. Trying to introduce me to them mommy. Someone my bank up and come over with my luggage. Like bomber smoke, it will be rugged. Show me loving and take you the extremely cold-blooded. You want to ride, make sure you can. Come in the living you. I'm a peanut puppet, what's left to do is to do something. Your time taking up. Alright. It's alright. Yeah, need some money. Hey, alright. It's alright. Need some money. Watch this. Because she pretty and she be tell me the latest. She's dangerous. I them a bash me. Big boom pam pam them girl they are the bomb dangerous. Fresh like a rose in a bad girl clothes dangerous. Me and my crew. I them a come with a surprise. Murderation.
Got me on the beat, so it's a banger.
Boy, boom, 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 boy. To all the hard-working people. I'm in the stadium working, hustling on the side. See the informers lurking, trying to break my stride. Can't stop Jamaica hustling, try to swallow my pride. I've got big number paid, woman number. Nearly made me lose my life. Come on, the must win. You know, come on. 10-10, be a shot and glory. Hotly, I fling out the street. Rude boys make up their mind. The must win. You don't know it. 10-10, be a shot and glory. Hotly, fling out the street. Listen, make a chin for my spine. The second deny. DJ Mac them watching. Run gun, tell the FBI. Nothing them trying to spite me. Crash on me, find out why. In the stadium me there. Can you tell me say informer, tell the lies informer. It must wait. You don't know we sent. Hotly, fling out the street. Rude boys make up their mind. It must wait. You don't know we sent. Be a shot and go in. Hotly, fling out the street. To all my sexy ladies, Paula, Jackie, Chess, Gary, all my ladies. If you know this one, sing along. Got somebody, she has a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's her duty. Want you right by my side, night and you mash up the stadium now. So let it go, no, holding back. Come on, because you are. Hey, swear I'm with you, it's all of that. Girl, I'm so glad. Are you doing bleachers? No, let it go, no, holding back. No, holding them back. No, yeah. Swear I'm with you. It's all of that. All of that is a big win. They say good things come to an end. But I'm optimistic about being your friend. Though I made you cry, why am I doing with Keisha and Nisha? That was. Let me hear your voices one more time. No, let it, no. When I'm with you, it's all of that. Girl, I'm so glad. Everybody now, come on. Holding back. No, holding them back. No, yeah. When I'm with you, so let's take it to Bridgetown, Jamaica. Really appreciate you loving me for all that we've been. Let me voices. Really appreciate you loving me all time. Got somebody, she is a want you right by my side. Let me hear voices at this side. Come on. Don't let it go. Hold it back. Because you are, baby. When I'm with you, it's all of that. Girl, I'm so glad. Marcia Griffiths. Don't let it go. No, hold it back. The Prime Minister. No, hold it back. No, yeah. Swear I'm with you. If you want, we don't want to dance. Do me a favor. Do me a favor, stay down. Say, go on, win. Go on, win. Go on, win.
Go on, win. Go on, win. Go on, win.
Say, go on, win. Go on, win. Go on, win.
Go on, win. Go on, win. Go on, win.
Give them the dance. What's the dance? Give them the dance. What's the dance? And if our girls we have been no face, our girls them have the both face.
We wanna know who me attack? If you call him phone, what you gonna get? If you call him phone, what you gonna get? You're gonna get a BC. No. Hey. Testing 1, 3, so we're not testing. What about you? Testing. Grand gala. After me, step. Grand gala. Show me a corner ready. Hey. Testing 1, 3, so we're not testing. What about you? Testing. Grand gala. After me, step out in me. Black off. A lot, but spot. Grand gala the take back. Alright, enough, y'all. I'm not lazy. Alright then. Whoa. Let's go. When we the grand gala, me tell you straight so we in here. When we a mash up the place, grand gala we in here. Alright then, pull up. So now bounce and the place a full up. Sexy girl now we can't get it up. Girl a good on ball, that we love. A murder when we step in at the club. Select it on the top in at the phone light. Me wanna see everybody out here. Watch out for this. 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 Can you turn this off? Watch out for this. And in my best lyrics, mash up the place, but you are not for this. Me now miss number 1 on the list. Good girl, I drop it up like this. Mash up the place, but you are not for this. Mash up the place, but you are not. Good girl, Jamaica 64. Free up. What is to be must be. Grand gala we free. We say we now go and jail again. Free up. Grand gala. Say what is to be. Jamaica free. That's it. I go and jail again. Never gonna feel again. Like a ship, sail again. Would I never see me call a friend to be a lot? Nah, see me and courthouse no more. No bracelet up in the house no more. We step out and hold the one for sure. Real hustlers are road and make money. Hold on. Happy Independence, Jamaica!
I'm going to customize the one here. I want to customize the one for Jamaica. Exclusively for Jamaica like this. Ready? Yes, yes, yes. Life, life. On freedom. One more celebration, yes, yes. One more year pandemic. One more independence. Jamaica. Happy independence again. One. Ooh. Jamaica. Yes, yes. Life, life, life. Celebrate life, celebrate life. Yes, one more year pan. All right, one more year pan them. Oh, one more year pan them. Everybody sing this with me. Happy independence again. 115, give thanks for life. Next year we're doing it. Hey Jamaica, happy independence. Oh yes, one more year pan them. Oh yes, more life to you. They are till the end. Real for me, heart me. Independence. Us, if I even pan the grumbling. Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on. We do this all over the world. But tonight, we're gonna do this in Jamaica. If you is a proud Jamaica, I want to see every phone light. I'm not going to play this one till I see the Old National Stadium. Light, 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 light.
Lock off the bright light them.
Lock off the
bright light them.
Light, light.
Lock off the bright light them. Light man, lock off the bright light them. Hold on there. Lock off the bright light them. Who wants to see Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Let me put on this here, sir.
Put it on there, sir.
Come here, look good.
History this.
Me I look good.
History this.
If your phone dead, push up your hand. If your phone dead, me say people, hey, someone with teeth white. Don't smile. A Jamaica independence.
Jamaica.
A Jamaica independence.
Jamaica.
A Jamaica independence. This.
Big up with Prime Minister.
We everyone like that. Lighters.
Lighters.
One lighter.
One light.
50,000 lighter. 90,000 lighter. 1 million lighter. Jamaica.
Big up yourself.
I love Jamaica, me nas. Every can't clip we win, we always fly. Whether we there a yard or abroad, the national anthem in Jamaica. Under the trees, jumping at the river when we ready for be here. No boy care. Police officers, civilians, soldiers, prime ministers. Aye, Jamaica love. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Night talk on the street, they know the thing of beefs. Go on YouTube right now.
Tornado representing for Nike TV.
Yeah, you hear me? A Night Talk TV.